Alright, Monday morning. It's leg day. So let's get to it. Guys, the mobile app for my music, it's working really darn well. There's a library for making a music player already. So I just had to integrate that. There was a little bit of friction, but overall not that bad. The next thing I want to do is build a cache. For what's it called? Like I want to be able to download music. To reduce bandwidth usage on my phone and my server. You know, I'll talk about it when I get on the bike. Alright, like I was saying, the My Music mobile app, it's usable. It looks terrible, but it's 100% usable. And I'm using it right now, actually. But I want to add downloading music. That's the main thing. I want to add downloading it. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe I should add... Well, downloading and caching is basically the same thing. Probably for now I'll just say like download all music. And then later on I can go back and add downloading specific songs. But using the downloaded songs should be pretty simple. Because whenever I'm like creating the track list, when I give it the source, I just give it a file instead of a HTTP URL. So yeah, should be pretty simple. Yeah, I'm gonna do that after the gym. It's leg day. Really not looking forward to it. I don't know, I've grown to become a push day fan and a leg day hater. Well, I've always been a leg day hater. But, man, I don't know. I just hate doing squats. Maybe I should just stop doing squats. Like, alright, here's what I'm thinking. I guess squats, they hit everything in your legs, which is good. And I appreciate you for that, squats. But I don't know, it's just so draining. And like, I'm gonna hit all my muscles. Or, I guess I'm not gonna hit all my muscles. But I'm gonna get the major ones like quads, hams, calves, glutes, adductors, doing other exercises. Anyways, but then outside of those, I guess I need squats to hit them, so it makes sense. I can't believe how productive this weekend was. I added album cover support to the web client, and then I created the mobile client, which has album cover support, by the way. I mean, obviously, you gotta have it. I don't know, what's next? I think I'm just gonna make the mobile client, like, actually decent looking. because it looks like shit, and you can't seek inside of the app. You gotta use the control center, which is low-key silly. Um, so yeah, gotta add that. But first things first, I want to add downloading the music. So I'm gonna do that. I'm excited. This is gonna be fun to implement. I'm thinking I just create like a singleton global type of thing. Because I don't really need my like UI to react to this changing. Besides when you like specifically click a button and ask to change it, then I'll give you the state of it. I guess I can revisit that in the future. But yeah, I'll probably just make like, honestly, like, I'll just have a file that's like, get cache files. I'm thinking I use my key value storage to store like an allocation table, which says like, okay, we have this source ID at this what's it called? At this path, yeah. And then we'll also store the MIME type there too. And do I want to cache album images? Honestly, it's a good opportunity to do some kind of processing on them. Because right now they're all just, they're too big, the images. Because I just take whatever's inside of the file. And I don't like downsize it or anything. So, you know. I'm gonna go in the bike lane since there's cars behind me. I try to be accommodating. What the fuck? Where are their headlights? What the hell? Anyways, gym time. Oh, I just noticed they mowed the grass here in front of the Y. Cool. Anyways, it's a pretty good leg day. I'm so done with squats, gang. Like, gang, I really don't F with squats. At all. Anyways, let's get home and do the, let's downloading songs. We're cooked, gang. super excited to add downloads because that's a massive feature I've wanted. But on web, I mean, on web I have caching. I set cache control headers on sources, but it'd be better to have like direct control, which you can do if a service worker, but service worker is cooked because we have a mobile app now. Bro, yes, we did it. I was using it at the gym, flawless, perfect. I have the album cover, seeking, skipping, everything works great. Okay. Anyways, plan when I get home, creatine, grab a root beer, and then let's get golden. Let's get golden. You know? Oh yeah, I'm going back to Atlanta, April 26th. I was originally gonna go back on like the 28th, but then I realized like, wait, this is my only chance to go back for like a few months. So yeah. I decided to like do the weekend too, especially since it's gonna be final season. Disgusting car. I'm so hyped about the mobile app gang. Gung. One thing is I'm not gonna test it on Android because I'm lazy and I'm not using Android. I made it for React Native. All my libraries should support Android, but yeah, I don't care. Anyways, I'll see you guys later, probably Wednesday.